Hey, welcome back to another video. I just recorded a video on me playing this game, but I guess it didn't record. So, yeah, we're gonna be playing a tornado game. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, I have to restart my game now. Please be the right camera. This is the right camera. Yep. Here we go. Okay. I don't want to use freaking Instagram.
Tip 2 or
Gotta get in the car.
Hello?
Tip 1.
Are you in the tip 2? Alright. Alright, this is an absolute wedge.
Hello, sir.
Deploy. Alright, I gotta deploy right now. Because I was starting to move. I was starting to move. Deploy your probes, deploy your probes. Deploy your probes.
Should I save up for tip 2 or
Hey,
down
behind
3?
you! Bluish
Deploy
sign.
probes,
Save up for
deploy
the
probes.
save up for the Dom 3. The Dom 3 is really good. Oh yeah, if you guys in the video are asking,
Ow, why didn't you film this video when you had your truck?
well, that video would have been
Here they come.
Instagram.
Hello guys.
Bunkers!
Hey, this guy in the road, don't run him over. There's a guy in the road.
Hey, do you guys want to get on?
Hello!
Alright, get your probes,
Oh,
get your
yes, sir,
probes,
I'll
get your
get on.
probes.
There might be a
Don't get
chance
out
that
yet.
we
Don't get
all
out yet,
die,
don't get out
but
yet, don't get out yet. Let me in.
I'm here.
Alright, I think you're good. I think that.
okay, I'm gonna
We're in a
interfere.
Jolly Rancher. This should be fine, though. East.
Get your probes. Alright.
Hold on.
It's in. Alright.
I think I could interfere.
About.
I'm too short.
Oh shit, I
If
fell
I
off.
start getting dragged, that means
I fell off.
I need to deploy. Debris. There's debris.
There's debris.
Dude, that's not a good idea. That's not.
I fell out. I fell out.
You did?
I forgot my was muted. Yes, I fell out. I don't know how
Bro, I
that
keep
happened.
failing out. Come on, get in, get in, get in, get in.
Wait. No.
Okay, we're deploying.
Bro, try and get your truck out. Try and get your truck.
Why am I
Try and
keep
get your
coming to my
truck.
car?
The truck is out.
I'm here. I
Nope.
fell out. I have to.
Bye.
I have like the best quote.
There goes Dominator 1. I mean, Dominator. No, not the Dominator.
That was a Tiv.
Tip 1.
Yeah, those were mine. What truck is this?
I'm not in a truck. I'm in the tip 2.
Tip 2? This is why I love the Tip 2. I want to get a Tip 2.
Over here, bro.
I just
Jump through this.
I just saved up a lot of money by doing chores, and then I just got like 20 bucks.
Like, look at this. I'm going to spawn in a Tip 1 and it's just going to fly away. Look,
All right,
truck.
you're good.
I'm good?
Get the probes. Get the probes.
Wait. I see somebody in the Dominator next to the truck. Please wait for me.
All right, get it.
Wait.
Get back and give it.
Please.
It's okay, it's okay.
Please.
All right, gotta turn around.
Please.
I need to grind money.
I'm high. Hello. There's a big tornado over there.
Oh God. So I'm probably gonna get lifted right here.
Come here.
Am I getting dragged?
Hey guys, I'm coming next to the tornado. But look at that.
Fucking nigger.
How do you call it?
Really hard.
tornado. Hey, can I get help? I want to die. Hey, what are you doing? Right, do you have a Jesus
Dude,
cross?
this one's probably gonna lift as soon as I
cross.
deploy.
You don't have a Jesus cross, bro. You need a Jesus cross. Good. I don't have a Jesus cross. I'm gonna watch some news.
Okay.
A big tornado,
Deploy,
oh my
deploy,
God.
deploy.
Alright, I'm deploying. I'm deploying.
Get under the house.
Hey, Jason. Tip 2 is the strongest.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a tip 2 next.
Okay, good thing my house has a Jesus cross. Yeah, Jesus cross, so I should be fine. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, that's in here with the... Bro, you have to go to the front door.
Oh my god. 102. 102. 102.
This is my house.
102.
I wonder if we'll be safe in here from this one. We'll be safe, bro. We have a Jesus cross, bro.
Bye, Mr. Tornado. Driving in my truck right after a beer. Hey, that bump is like good ear.
Don't go in that house. It doesn't have a Jesus cross. This one. This one. Yeah, bro, we have Jesus cross.
Don't worry.
Look at that.
The Black Flash.
That's big.
Oh, no, 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 no,
Bro,
no, no,
it's
no,
far
no.
away, right? I know I'm not getting. Bro, it's destroying everything.
We're cooked. Oh my god.
Bro,
Wait, I got it.
it's coming over here. Come on. Bro, we need to place up here, bro. We need to go straight at it, like minions.
Bro, Dominator 1, go in the back. Dominance, go in the back.
Bro, we're cooked.
Hold on.
No, we're not.
Go back, bro.
Look at this.
Go back to the.
Ah!
Hey guys!
Oh my
I
God.
kind of fell out. Help me!
Flower flashes.
I am the Red Flash. Whoa, no, 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 no. By the way, that's just a glitch. I'm not actually hacking. I'm about to die.
Come on!
I'm inside it.
I'm almost at 100,000. If I get 100,000 by today, I could get the tip 2.
I need 10,000. I got 10,000.
Mm-hmm.